good morning, everybody. Welcome to the daily currency call, where Jin shares his analysis and ideas for a specific currency for each day. So the usual schedule of the week is Monday, Aussie and Kiwi, Tuesday, Euro, Wednesday, Pound, Thursday, Yen and Gold, Friday, Canadian Dollar. So today is Tuesday, so we'll be doing the Euro. So I see many new names here, so help me with this poll. Is this your first time here? So yeah, this webinar is going to be very beneficial to both the long-term investors and short-term traders. We will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, and also highlighting potential targets and risk. So disclaimer here, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. So just a quick look at the poll again. Yeah, we have quite a number of new first-timers here. So do help me with the next poll. How did you get here? So while you guys are filling up the poll, a quick introduction about Jin. So Jin is the founder of LCMS Traders and Forex Briefcase. He teaches members of the LCMS Traders Club on how to trade FX. And for Forex Briefcase, he trades an account with more than US $11 million on a daily basis for his managed account clients. He's also an international speaker where he speaks in countries like Hong Kong, UK, US, Australia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, and of course here in Singapore, sharing his views about the FX market. Yeah, so just a quick look at the poll. Yeah, we do have quite a number of people coming in from the Telegram channel. So I would like to take this opportunity to share what the Traders Club is all about. So yeah, this is our private Facebook group where we teach, guide, signal, and coach you to be a better and more profitable trader. So this is the place to be, whether you are new, experienced, part-time, or full-time trading. So if you have joined us from the Telegram channel, you have been receiving our signals absolutely free. But a question you might have here is that we have told you when to get into a trade, but you do not know where to exit. So in the Traders Club, we not only give you the signals like this. Earlier than the Telegram channel, we also tell you the strategy behind the signals and actually guide you on where to exit. So this information that you don't get in the Telegram channel. We do this so that in the long run, you not only earn from the signals, but you also learn how to trade better. So if you want to learn new strategies, if you want to learn new strategies or require some coaching, we also have members-only live Zoom sessions on Monday and Wednesday evenings to run through trade ideas, teach you new strategies, update you on recent economic developments. So this is also your opportunity to pick Jin's brain on pretty much any trading-related questions you might have. And lastly, we have a wide range of analysis for club members, weekly currency correlation tables, daily watch lists, breaking news analysis, all here to provide you with the best information, shortcutting your way to trading success. So to join the group, it is a paid subscription of $1.99 a year, which is less than $1 a day. But if you are facing any uncertainty in your trading or taking any unnecessary risk on your trades, you need to join the club to get some guidance towards profit and some coaching to improve your confidence and strategy immediately. So just hop on to tradersclub.lcms.com.sg, scroll the way down and click on this $1.99 a year to get started. So just want to end off by saying trading can be lonely, but with a community of coaches and Jin here to guide us, trading can be enjoyable and definitely profitable. So if you haven't already, make sure you click on the link to join. With that, I'll pass the time now to Jin for the currency call.
That would be me. So good morning again, everyone. Today is Tuesday, so we are talking about the euro dollar um, touch on the euro pound as well, and then we will do a bit of a news analysis. Traders Club members, I already asked you that. Put it in the chat again. Tomorrow is going to be the first time we are doing a live trading session. So every Wednesday now, for those of you who did not turn up last night, every Wednesday now we'll be doing a live trading session where I'll trade together with you. So we're not only giving you good information, we're not only telling you about analysis on a daily basis. Every Wednesday, I will pretty much be hand holding you through the whole process, um, looking at a trade, entering a trade, making money on a trade, and getting out of that trade. So we're going to do that. A lot more details in the video that we did upload in the Traders Club. So those of you who did not turn up last night, make sure you check out the video in the Traders Club. So with that said, let's look at the news. Where is it? That's not the news. That's Facebook. That's the news. So forextradingasia.com. Head on to forextradingasia.com. Register for your account. Read articles, rate articles, get points so that you can redeem your points for Amazon gift cards. So, looking at the economic calendar coming up, today is not Monday, today is Tuesday. We see that we do not have that much news coming up. We have some Euro news, but those of you who attended the 4-day course knows that I'm not looking too much at the euro employment numbers because those do not push prices too significantly, especially for the euro dollar. Okay, but with that said, we do have tonight some US IM manufacturing numbers and also the PMI numbers coming from the US side. You can see that previously it was 57.5, expected to come out at 56.6. So looking at possibly a bit of a drop in terms of manufacturing PMI, but still in that expansionary phase, still above 50. That's what the PMI number is all about, whether it's above or under 50. To find out more, make sure you jump onto the 4-day course group. We will do that session again soon. Actually, we'll do it at the end of January. I'll tell you more about that maybe as we firm up the details. But we'll tell you more about how to look at the PMI numbers, what news to pay attention to, what not, what you can ignore, that kind of things, how I do my analysis on a daily basis. So looking at this, back to the euro dollar analysis, not a lot of news happening today for the euro dollar. Okay, so I don't expect too much to happen for the euro dollar at this point for today. However, coming into Wednesday, you can see more news for the euro zone. This is the PMI numbers. So this might actually move the euro dollar a little bit more. Okay, it might move the euro dollar a little bit more. And you can see that PMI numbers coming from the Eurozone not looking too great. It's going to look like it's recovering. Spanish services PMI from 39 to 45, Italian services from 39 to 45, French from 49 to 49 staying there, German at 47 to 47 staying there, and the overall numbers looking at 47 to 47 staying at that level. So not big improvements coming around. Don't think it's going to push prices much lower or higher, but this also sets up for a good opportunity for an upset. What I mean an upset is where the actual results is significantly greater or worse than the forecasted, which would also make it better or worse than the previous. So this gives us the opportunity to plan for possible or potential moves upwards or downwards for the euro dollar. I'll tell you more about that as we look into the charts. Pound we'll talk about tomorrow, and then we have some US numbers coming around, and then On Thursday, we have Euro CPI numbers going from minus 0.3% to minus 0.2%. So looking at some very small recovery in the CPI numbers from the Eurozone. And then more importantly, tomorrow night, no, not tomorrow night, Thursday night, 8:30, we have the ECB monetary policy statement. Pay attention to that. No press conference this time around, but we have the statement coming out at 8:30. That's possibly going to, I feel like, in my opinion, possibly push the euro dollar up a little bit compared against the US dollar. And then on Friday night, as usual, first Friday of the month, first Friday of the year, we have non farm payrolls for the US side. Non farm payrolls previously was 245K, expected 100K. Um, at this point now, it looks like it's going to be a bad number. It looks like it's going to be a bad number. Be a little bit more careful with the US dollar. I think that we might see, continual US dollar weakness coming around for the short term. So with all that said, we're talking about some stability in the eurozone. We're talking about some good news in the eurozone. We're talking about possible continual US dollar weakness. Looking at it onto the charts, here we have the euro dollar H4 time frame. You can see that it's been a significant upward move from November, well, even before that, right? But looking at it from November all the way to now, it's been pretty much upward climbing. It's gone up, came back down, test 1.18, gone back up, test 1.20, gone back up, test 1.22. Right now, it looks like it's possibly with that euro stability, with that US dollar possible continual weakness, we could see that possibly continue climbing up again. Zooming it in a little bit for you, at this point now, the euro dollar, I think that if we now will be a bit too early to buy into it. I would say wait for that move above 1.23, anywhere above 1.23. You could be looking at quite a big 60 pip stop loss, but you could be looking at a 180 pip take profit. 60 pip stop loss, 180 pip take profit. Risking 1 is to 3. Risking 1 is to 3. Above 1.23, 60 pip stop loss, 180 take profit, which means that at this point now, for that next 30 something pips, sit there, wait. Don't jump into this trade yet, because you're going to see some volatility, or some slow but possibly volatility happening from now to 1.23, as it could be resisted by that round number or roundish number price. So at this point, I do think that towards the end of the week, we could see that possibly happening, especially if we see that relatively good news from the Eurozone and the bad news from the US non farm payrolls. Looking at the euro pound here, if the euro dollar is going to move upwards, if the euro dollar is going to move upwards, then we could actually be looking towards possibly further upside move on the euro pound, right? Further upside move on the euro pound. So, but before any of that happens, I think it needs to break above 9060.9060. It needs to break above that before we can see further upside. If it breaks above that, you could do quite a narrow stop loss, 30 pips towards that 100 pip take profit, right? So we could see that move, um, maybe 9070, 30 pip stop loss, 100 pip take profit. Again, that could be a trade, but this trade would need to break above that 9060 resistance level. Possible, possible, but we've seen it reject this level several times already. So be a little bit more careful for this possible trade idea. I still think that the euro dollar will be a bit more attractive. Doing a quick recap, the Aussie dollar we spoke about yesterday, sitting across. I said I was going to sit across before possibly break above 7730 to go higher. Yesterday, it did sit in this level, moving across. Looks like it's moving up and trying to break that 7730 level. So something to watch out for. The New Zealand dollar said it's going to sit across. It dropped a little bit more than expected, but it does look like it's starting its climb back up towards the 7281 resistance level. Okay, so at this point now, back to the 4-day cause. No, actually, before that, Traders Club members, we have. I'll scroll down to where is to wherever I posted my link. I've lost it. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so I do my daily analysis with my support resistance lines, the zones, my targets, my trigger levels. It is all uploaded here for the Traders Club members. I did that yesterday. Support resistance lines. I did it all, giving you all my lines, giving you that guidance for where to trigger your trades, where to put your stop loss, where to put your take profits. This will be uploaded into the 4-day course group as well. This is a free to join course group. Search for it, LCMS Traders 4-day FX Kickstarter. I will be uploading those lines after this call. So make sure you jump into the group, free to join, get in. We will be doing another session of this 4-day course at the end of January. So make sure you get in now, get it all ready. We'll do another session end of January so that you learn how to trade better. With that said, I'll pass it back to Jinwei.
Okay, so I've just launched a poll to let me think what do you think of this webinar. So yeah, I'll post it in the chat also, some links to the YouTube channel. Subscribe to it for our daily recordings, Telegram channel for the signals, Traders Club, of course. So if you're not a Traders Club member, if you want to join us for our live trading sessions, yeah, do click on the Traders Club link and subscribe from there. And of course, our 4-day course, group link for the support resistance lines and our upcoming free 4-day course sessions. Yeah, so yeah, Traders Club members, see you guys tomorrow for the live trading sessions, and for everyone else, see you guys tomorrow morning for the pound analysis. So with that, that's the end of the session. Goodbye.